Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I'm going to make a big batch of detox juice, and so this is really healthy for you, really good. I have this 100% cranberry juice, so there's no added sugar, there's nothing else other than just cranberry, so this is awesome. I have my apple cider vinegar. You want to get the one that says with the mother, so this is super healthy for you. Right on here it says your daily dose of wellness. So apple cider vinegar is really great for weight loss, weight management. I love it. I love so many drinks and detox waters with apple cider vinegar. So good. And then also some lemon. So I'm going to squeeze the lemon juice, make some lemon juice. I have some water in my pitcher. And I'm gonna prep up these bottles. I'm gonna have 2 of these a day for 3 days this week. And so I'm gonna get it all made up. All right, so this juice is all prepped, ready to go for the next few days. Super easy, super healthy. So I'll put the measurements for everything in the description box if you want to make this one. Really great detox to have for the week. So I hope you have a really great week. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Click the bell button next to subscribe. You'll get a notification when I post a new video. Lots of healthy meal prepping. Did a little juice prepping. So just lots of prepping to get ready to go and nice and healthy. for the new year. So I hope you all enjoy this one, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.